Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be deep cleaning our refrigerator and our freezer in our kitchen. I thought this was the perfect time to do so. We were heading away on a family vacation and I wanted to get the fridge completely cleared out of any unnecessary food that may expire or that has already expired, or things that were leftovers that we wouldn't be eating before we left. So I thought it was the perfect time to do this, and I would share it with you and take you along in the process. If you enjoy these videos, then give this a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So let's get on to deep cleaning this refrigerator. Okay, I wanted to give you a little glimpse of what the refrigerator looks like empty now. It's not clean, obviously. It's disgusting. I am slightly embarrassed to show you this. I think all that stuff is syrup. So I need to get scrubbing. And this is everything that I took out of the refrigerator. I see a lot of products that can go in the garbage, and a lot of things that are leftovers that we didn't eat. So let's get to decluttering and cleaning out this refrigerator. And I wanted to point out, the freezer isn't too bad. I'll probably just have to organize it a bit, but I'll link up my last cleaning of my freezer video up above and you can check that out. But I will tackle this once I get the refrigerator done.
Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. If I could run with you, and from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Oh, oh.
Loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. Yeah, loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. But somewhere I go and hide, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I go and hide, looking for a new start, for a new start. Looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be.
So these are our products I'm keeping. These ones belong on the door. And these are a bunch of things that I'm going to end up putting into the clear interdesign bins. Like these. So I'm going to get to that now.
Don't wanna be down, looking for a new start. Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, looking for a new start. Can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now. Yeah, can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now. But somewhere I go and hide, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I go and hide, looking for a new start, for a new start. Looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, looking for a new start. Looking for a new start.
Okay, this is a little bit embarrassing, but this is everything that was garbage in the refrigerator. Expired products, leftovers that we didn't eat, and things that just are no longer good. So sadly, they all have to be composted or thrown out, but I am thrilled with what the refrigerator looks like now. It is nice and clean and just has things that are good to eat. So on the top shelf, we have coffee cream and cream cheese. Then in this bin here is jam and 2 sundae toppings. Chocolate milk is just right there by itself. Then over here we have guacamole packets and sour cream, margarine, and butter in the back. This is the cheese drawer. We just have some Velveeta cheese slices, some old-fashioned cheddar cheese, Laughing Cow, and Baby Bell. 1 yogurt, eggs. We use this milk, not milk, but soda holder for eggs. We just like how it kind of tucks them away and keeps them protected, and we keep them in the case that the eggs come in because I read somewhere that there is a reason for this. It's something to do with the temperature the eggs have to stay and for the moisture, so I keep them in there. This is something new because all I had left was 3 apples and some blueberries, so I just put them in this little container right now. The apples shouldn't last too long. This is my mint, cucumber, lemon, and ginger water I drink in the morning. This is some veggies. So we have carrots, mint, green and red pepper, and onion, and some cilantro. And the only thing we have down there is mushrooms, and these drawers are empty. So it's oh, and up here in this bin I have bacon. On the door, I tried to organize it, but then I just kind of gave up. Here is all sorts of like Chinese infused flavors: soy sauce, honey garlic, hoisin, sesame oil, etc. Up here we have some sauerkraut, blend Parmesan Romano, Asiago cheese, garlic and ginger minced, and lemon juice. This is burger condiments, so we have ketchup, mustard, relish, some different types of mustard, a burger sauce, and a barbecue sauce. Down here we have my light Italian dressing and ranch dressing. Both of them are nearly empty, but both of them are still good, so we'll use them until they're completely gone. Salsa and some Frank's Red Hot sauce. Apple juice, hot peppers, syrup, and grenadine. The kids like to mix that in with their 7-Up. So that is the inside of my refrigerator.
Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I'll go running and hide. Looking for a new start. Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start. Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start.
Okay, so I want to thank you so much for watching this Clean With Me fridge and freezer edition. If you enjoyed, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're enjoying the content on my channel, then please consider hitting the red subscribe button and the bell to receive notifications when I post new videos. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day, and as always, take care. We'll see you soon. Bye now.
Oh.